is all about fullness. In this video, we'll show you how to add and remove fullness from the synthetic coily wig. Some clients will want their synthetic coily wig to be full, while others will want it thinned. Use a slithering blade to thin the wig, add fullness, and/or add texture. When thinning, it's important to start at the midsection or bottom of the wig. If you start at the top, you run the risk of removing too much hair and losing the wig's fullness. Use clips to separate and isolate sections of the synthetic coily wig. Begin thinning at the midsection. Slither slightly to add fullness or increase slithering to thin the wig. Take your time, section by section, avoiding cutting big sections of the hair. It's important not to cut flyaways with a slithering blade. Only use trimming shears for flyaways. Thinned out hair will fall out on its own as the wig is fluffed. Continue to thin evenly in sections around the entire wig to achieve the desired look. Now for a recap. Thinning is about fullness. Use a slithering blade to thin. Use clips to isolate sections of the wig. Slither only at the midsection or bottom of the wig. Slither slightly to add fullness. Slither more significantly to thin the wig. Do not cut flyaways with a slithering blade. Only use trimming shears.